Hello everyone, my name is Divya Chopra and I will be teaching VAC paper Value Added course titled Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duties. The total credit of this VAC paper is 2, 1 for lecture and 1 for practical part, total 2. The code of this paper is 69675 times 02. The main exam, written exam will be of 30 marks, 10 marks for internal assessment and 40 marks for continuous assessment. Further, the 40 marks of continuous assessment bifurcated into 5 marks for attendance, 15 plus 20 marks for continuous assessment 1 and continuous assessment 2. It can go in both ways. Either one test will be of 35 marks or 2 assignment or test plus assignment or test of each of this continuous assessment. Second, internal assessment of 10 marks will be divided 2 for attendance and 4 plus 4 for continuous assessment, internal assessment 1 and internal assessment 2. Again, it can goes into both direction. There will be only one test of 8 marks or can be 2 assessments, either viva or presentation will be of 4 marks each. I will prefer presentation or viva in both continuous assessment and internal assessment. Now, the major objective of this paper, first, is to make students aware about the knowledge and relevance of our Indian Constitution, to develop a sense of duties and values in citizens, and in majorly inculcating a sense of constitutionalism in thought and actions in our everyday life so that we can learn what we are reading. This paper is divided into 3 major units. First unit will deal with the major values of our constitution which are enshrined in the preamble: rule of law, separation of powers, sovereignty, socialism, democracy, Sarv Dharm Sambhav. Unit 2 will discuss constitutional values, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity in depth. Unit 3 will be dealing with fundamental duties. Fundamental duties are enshrined in the Article 51A, subclause A of our Constitution. We will deal with the duties, what are the duties of our citizens, and most importantly, the duties will be discussed from both the perspective. One, from the ancient Indian notion of righteousness and duty consciousness. Two, from the judicial or contemporary approach. And later on, these are some essential or recommended reading list: the preamble, the Constitution of India, Article 14, 19, 21, and duties from 51A. Durga Das Basu, these are suggested readings, and other further readings are mentioned here. So here it is for this fact paper, and if you have any inquiry or clarity on any part of this paper, you can contact me at Bharati College. Thank you everyone.